Here we are going to look at a multiplication problem of a two-digit number times a two-digit number using the area model as our method of solving the problem. So the problem we are going to look at is 32 times 76. And we start out by drawing our area model over here. And then for our numbers, we use the distributive property to break them down. So 32 is going to break down into 30 plus 2, and 76 on this side is going to break down into 70 plus 6. Now we are going to solve in those four sections. So 70 times 30, we know 7 times 3 from our facts is 21. But since it's a 10 times another 10, we have to add 2 zeros. So that is 2,100. So now you have to move over to the 70 times 2. We know 7 times 2 is 14. Since it's 110 in the multiplication problem, you add 1 0 from the 70. So it is 140. Then you move down to the 6 times 30. 6 times 3 is 18, and then you add your 1 0, and the last one that you have to do is 6 times 2, which is 12. So then we take those four numbers that we got and you add them together. So we have 2,100, 140. Make sure you line them up properly so you can add them properly. Then we have 180 and 12. So you add those four together. And our final answer that we get is 2 there, 8, plus 4 is 12, plus 1 is 13. Carry that 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2. Put in the comma. So the final answer for 32 times 76 is 2,432. Now, I'm going to pose a question or a multiplication problem. I want you to pause it, do it on your own, and then come back and check yours. So the problem that I want you to do is 45 times 83. So pause it, set it up using the area model, and then come back and check your answer. Okay, hopefully you have an answer, and let's check it. So setting it up, draw the area model. Ooh, that's kind of small. I hope I can get my numbers in there, but we'll do it anyways. So 45, using the distributive property, is 40 plus 5. And 83, using the distributive property, is 80 plus 3. So now let's do the problems. 8 times 4 is 32. Put my 2 zeros, squeeze that in there. 80 times 5, 8 times 5 is 40, and I add 1 0. 3 times 40, 4 times 3, or 3 times 4 using the commutative property, it doesn't matter. 3 times 4 is 12, add my 1 0, and 3 times 5 is 15. So then we take those four numbers, 3,200, 400, 120, and 15, and add them together. And our final answer here is 5. 2 plus 1 is 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 3. So the final answer is 3,735 for the problem 45 times 83.